Just shit show central in this bitch. Better go lay down. Stupid Nova take number however many million. So back to last night's nonsense where apparently didn't sleep for a while because of my nonsense, but we were attempting to use this ring off of the piston from the trophies for the car show for the year. Well, in turn, it seemed like a good idea. It was too short, small, and it was too fat. So I decided squeezing it together a little bit would stretch it out and make it fit. Which in turn, my theory possibly would have worked. Not very well, but it might have worked. But either way, we decided to ixnay that stupid nonsense last night when I spent forever doing it and it just wasn't working right. Could have used a little massaging, but I don't know. Didn't freaking work. So either way, today I decided, well, I'm just gonna bite the bullet, stop being a wasteoid, and just buy new fucking rings. So I bought a set of 8 new rings from AutoZone, which was the only place that had them. So now we have all new rings. We have 8 new rings, and we need 1 oil ring. Got the bottom pan back on, which clearly means that the pistons are back in. Hopefully they are okay. Obviously the one has JB Weld in it. We'll see how that goes. The other piston, like we said, was almost melted. It looked like the rings just might have touched each other. So basically honed 1 and 3, put mostly new rings in it. They're gaps at 30. A little less on the second ring. So at this point, we're just gonna fucking slap this bitch back together and pray, and I'm gonna knock on wood here, that the bottom end doesn't come apart and get under the slicks and do damage. Probably just need a diaper. What's my deal? As soon as I put a diaper on this thing, I'm turning it all the way up and trying to blow it up though. So we'll see what happens. I think maybe I should just quit everything I'm doing and be a race car driver with willy-nilly and play video games all day. At least that way I don't have to worry about not getting shit done or all the other nonsense. So, well, it's daylight again. Pretty much had the Nova done yesterday. Definitely have been able to make it racing yesterday, but we had a few problems, like you know, I guess rain was the main one. I can blame everything else. Ended up raining, so I went to fucking bed. Didn't even touch this fucking thing. Came down, just ran a couple different hoses and all kind of dumb shit. I think I just got it all buttoned up. So, figure we'll just get this first start here. The hell was that fucking noise? Always some kind of nonsense here. But we turned on the power and shit didn't blow up. So the thing probably should start. So let's just see here. Turn on some fuel. I don't see nothing leaking. So see, we cracked the gas once, it should fire. Bye. Well, thank my goodness. Hopefully I didn't fuck that lens up too bad and it's all blurry the whole time. That would be pretty gay. Well, that would be my luck. So then you're going to see a blurry fucking startup. But, you know, that's what it is. So, thank God we can get this thing the fuck out of the way and move on to the next deal. So, I guess I'm throwing the wheel on, getting her out the lift, clean up a few things. We'll back this whore out and move something else on the lift. Thank God. I'm tired of looking at that fucking thing. Not a lot of nonsense, but she's outside, so I guess I need to figure out how to pack a parachute, even though we haven't needed it yet. But I don't know, she looks like a bad little girl. Need to put the wheelie bars on off the caddy. Well, I guess at this point we need to almost see what's going on and maybe load up shit for pacemaker. Actually, I hear they're having a thing today, so I mean, fuck it. I need to figure out what's gonna happen anywho. So